Time now for the AllRecipes Cooking Challenge.
We are attempting to make no-bake energy bites. These are so great. I've actually always wondered about making these because I know a lot of people do them. They're great snacks for the kids to have or for you to grab on the go. Yeah. And they're a little bit sweet and they have some carbs and fat and things that we can keep our workouts going.
1 cup rolled oats, ½ a cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, ½ cup ground flaxseed, ½ a cup crunchy peanut butter, or we do have peanut butter.
Yeah.
1/3 cup honey and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Time is beginning.
Okay,
here we go.
So this is pretty easy. According to this, all we have to do, Scott, is combine the oats, chocolate chips, flaxseed, all the ingredients in a bowl. That's it. Mix it together and form it into balls. So why don't I do the oats? You want to do a ½ a cup of the chocolate chip?
Sure, ½ a cup.
Yep. I'm gonna do the oats.
Oh, this one fell out. Taylor, I'm sorry.
All right, here's a cup of that.
A ½ a cup?
½ a cup. Now, if I was designing the recipe, I think the ratio I would do like cup to cup for sure. Chocolate and oats. Okay, all right, now we need a ½ a cup of flaxseed. You wanna do that? Okay.
Yes.
Here, you do the ½ a cup of flaxseed. Okay, and now I'm gonna do ½ a cup of crunchy peanut butter. So.
Now, Kara, show us your trick, would you?
Well, I've learned this from the Better Connecticut chefs. They say we should, when we're doing that, spray those, because then...
½ cup goes in here?
Yep.
Okay.
If we spray, then it doesn't stick. So, all these little tips I've learned along the way. Have you learned tips to improve your cooking at home, Scott?
Yes, I have, Kara.
Has it improved your... Hey, stop! These are supposed to be healthy!
They're gonna be healthy, all right.
Okay, so there's a ½ a cup of peanut butter.
Now, wait, show them how good that worked.
Yeah,
by
it's
spraying
perfect.
Pam.
There's nothing, like, it's so easy to clean out. Like, right out. There
Perfect.
you go.
Absolutely
just a little
perfect.
pan.
All right.
1/3 a cup of honey. So, do we have a 1/3 cup anywhere?
Can I use this?
Well, we can use the liquid measurement. Yeah, do that. Okay, so.
1/3?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, okay.
I wonder, should we use a little pan for the honey too?
Sure. Oh, Sarah.
It's fresh honey. It's okay, it's fresh honey. Now, while you're opening that, Heidi says, to help keep the mix from sticking to my hands, I refrigerate it for about 30 minutes before making it into balls. This really helps. They're also good with toasted coconut mixed in. Wow, I would love that. Diana says, this is great, but I also added chia seeds and dried cranberry. Num num.
Okay.
Are you okay now? There you go. Okay, ease up. Good, all right. Now we're gonna go in here.
Go ahead.
I don't know if the pan works for the honey as much, but...
Yeah, scoop it in there.
But it's just coming off a little bit easy.
Yeah, very good.
Okay. You know.
Now,
you probably don't need as much honey because you already put so much chocolate in there.
What are we mixing this up with?
Not your hands.
All right, I'm gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna use a wooden spoon.
Yeah, a mixing spoon.
Go ahead.
That looks good. Okay. Look, that's it. We're gonna go. And we have a tray. You want to put the parchment paper out because we're gonna get ready. Do we have those little rubber gloves?
Yes, we do.
Okay. Because when we do them with our hands, I think that would be easy here.
We have Snugget vinyl gloves.
Oh, good. Let's get those ready. Snugget vinyl gloves.
We have Safety Zone vinyl gloves. We have clean vinyl gloves. Which would you like?
Whichever ones you think, sweetheart.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Oh, this one's a mitten.
Use those guns that you pay your trainer for and get a little bit more going.
These are mittens, Kara. Look at this.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Here we go.
I think we're gonna need fingers.
You think so?
Yeah.
All right, how much time do we have?
First, just do this.
Oh, keep
mix
going?
a little bit more. 130, but mix a little because we want to make sure it's mixed really good. And you said you were training your guns, so.
Here I go.
Yeah, a little extra.
This is really kind of cool.
I'm gonna do this too, where you spray the Pam on the. That's also what they tell us. They don't stick.
There you go.
All right, so now we just make little snowballs.
Okay.
Oat balls.
Oat balls. I'm gonna get the gloves out of the way.
And then afterwards, they say put them in the freezer for about an hour, and they'll set. So we don't have time for that, but we're gonna show you what they look. They're edible now. They'll stick together after we freeze them a little bit.
You made quite a big ball there.
Well, what if you're hungry? You want me to make them smaller?
Thank you.
These would be great for
Good.
breakfast or little snacks for your kids.
All right.
I don't know if we have the nutritional information on them, but AllRecipes, if you go to AllRecipes, you're gonna see all the nutritional information
Let me
there.
tell you, that is absolutely delicious.
Did you just have one?
I just tried a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Really good.
Okay, we got 30 seconds. How many can we get? Can we get a dozen? We got 1, 2,
No.
3, 4. Yes, we can. Go, go, go. Quick, 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 quick,
I don't
quick.
have my gloves.
What?
Keep going.
Don't use your hands because you're
I know, I'm sick.
Which you
That's why I
shouldn't
took the
be
mittens
here.
off.
Why-
You're very inconsistent with your.
I am working, and there's only 16 seconds left in this show, okay?
All right, let's try one.
Okay,
Ready?
one more, and one more,
Here
and
we
then
go.
I'll try
Have
one.
a great day, everybody.
I don't want to eat the one that you touched.
Oh, it's 12:30.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Tell me. Isn't that good?
Really
Kelly, you want
good.
to try one? Come on. Hurry up. Let's ask the personal trainer.
Very crunchy. I think we should put them in the freezer and try them a little bit later.
We got a big one.
You might have a lot of these ingredients
in
at
here.
home. You can make them tonight.
Oh,
They're
so
good, right?
Very good.
You want
And
the
not
recipe?
bad.
Yeah.
All right.
Follow along at betterct.com.